Hi staff, I'll go through briefly on how to submit a suggestion for the month. So first you need to get onto Teams, maneuver to the all staff Teams and look out for staff suggestion. Click on it and you see these messages that I've put on under Teams. So first thing first, you come to Files, download a copy of the suggestion form onto your desktop. Okay, download it. Okay, open it up and then don't do anything to it. Just save as and download a copy and you will appear on your download folder. So open up the download folder. Okay, open it. There's a time whereby you can start typing. Okay, you can write your name, date of submission, title, providing food to the staff on Fridays. Okay, this is a suggestion, doesn't mean it's going to happen. Food is needed for all. The problem, no motivation to work without food. Suggestion, provide KFC lunch just every Friday. Okay, note down possible cause. This is the part that Nick will not like it. Lot of money. Okay, and then once that is done, the last part here will be completed by the staff suggestion scheme panel, and I will need to save a copy. Okay, how do I save it? Save as, go to sites, then go under all staff. Again, look out for staff suggestion. Click on it, go to 2021, and I'm going to submit the May to June suggestion, and you can write down provision of food to staff. Then you can write by wing, and then you save it. Okay, so let's close this. And if you go to the folder now, the Teams folder. Okay, if I go to the Teams folder, okay, it should appear in that folder. Ta-da! That's how you do it. Okay, thank you.